Welcome back. Government should not stigmatize HIV-positive children. Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has written to the Goa government. The commission is also of the opinion that if any HIV-positive child is denied admission in a school, the issue should be raised at the right forum. Commission released its annual report on Friday. They have also reiterated their demand of full-time judge in the children's court.
So I found that there is a need for a continuous sitting of this thing, a regular judge, for full-time judge for the children's court. Otherwise, whatever the NGOs do or the state commission does or any other stakeholders do, there is a big question mark for that if the children don't get speedy justice. Only if the judge is appointed full-time for the children's court, the children will get speedy justice, otherwise they wouldn't be whatever you do. We have written to the government recommendations not to stigmatize children. Okay, there are several recommendations we have written. Then what else we have written? When the principal is refusing to the parent admission, especially to the HIV children, they can go and complain to the GSPCR or to the education department or to the police. They must not take up to the media or anywhere else if this is the case, because it has to be kept confidential. Otherwise, all the schools will start refusing admission. Okay, so that is one aspect.
How many cases you have received this year and disposed of so?
Nearly 250 cases.
Crunch of workers, paucity of funds, hike in house tax and action against selective illegal gutters in Mormugaon Taluka. The Mormugaon Municipal Council special meeting on Friday witnessed heated arguments over the issues. Non-ruling councillors alleged no cooperation from the chairperson.
And most of the labours are given for those who are in the ruling only. The garbage has been collected in my ward. There are a lot of trees and mosquitoes. No tree cutting machine is there. No labours for cleaning. And people are asking us. I feel guilty to go to the ward.
I लक्षात आसा की लेबराक आमकां शॉर्टेज जाल्ली आहा. फंड्साक लागून प्रॉब्लेम जाता. गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता आमचे UD मिनिस्टरा कडेन मागता की आमकां जाता तितले फास्ट आमकां फंड्स धाडून दिवपाक जाय.
Councillors are agitated over the action against selective illegal gardas in the Mormugaon Taluka.
Illegal चलता त्या चारूच जाणांक कितें आनी दो दे आर फ्रॉम माय वॉर्ड आपली पोटा लागून कितेंय म्हूण कोत्ताय रातचे कितें तेंक फायन दी आनी सोड तेंकां पोतून इलिगल कोता पोतून फायन दी पोतून सोड आज 6 months जाले तेंकां सोडूनाय कितें वाय व्हॉट इज गोइंग ऑन
अख्खे वास्को इल्लीगल चलता आणि ते चारूच गाडे हाडून कितें करूंक सोदता तुमी फक्त मनोहर पर्रीकर सीएमान लेटर धाडला म्हणून तोंडाक पुसपाक लागून ती 4 गाडे हाडल्या.
Chairperson seeks cooperation from the councillors.
जेन्ना आमकां शॉर्टेज लेबर्स आमचे डंपिंग सायडीन जे स्वीपरां बीन झाडू मारता ते डंपिंग सायडीन घेतला म्हणून आमच्या रोडार सगळो कचरो उरता. जेन्ना आमकां लेबर शॉर्ट पडटा तेन्ना आमी आनी सीओक सांगलें की एक्स्ट्रा आमी लेबर 10 दिसां खातीर पूण जेन्ना 10 दिसां आमी लेबर घेतलें 20 केन्ना ते आमी डिवायड करून तांकां दिले 5 लेबर करून दिलें तांकां. ओपोजिशन रुलींग हांगा चेअरपर्सनाक तेन्ना धरूंक ना. सगळेच समज कावन्सिलर ऑपोजिशन बीन करीत जाल्यार ओपोज करीत जाल्यार फुडें जावपाचें.
Dishan Para for Prudent.
International Master S. Vijayalakshmi of Air India has taken the sole lead in the ongoing 41st National Women's Challengers Chess Championship at Pere Mapsa. After 8 rounds, Vijayalakshmi has 7 points in her kitty. Padmini Raut, Nisha Mahota and Swati Ghate are in joint second position with 6.5 points each.
IM Vijayalakshmi defeated WGM Kiran Manisha Mohanty in 63 moves in the 8th round on Friday afternoon. Veteran Vijayalakshmi played an energetic game with white pieces against WGM Kiran and emerged sole leader of the championship. In another top board game, IM Nisha Mohota and WGM Swati Ghate were locked in a draw after 43 moves. Top seed Padmini Raut scored a fluent victory over Pratyusha Bodda of AP in Sicilian defense in 39 moves. With just 3 rounds to play, the competition is heating up. There are as many as 8 players in the joint third position with 6 points. However, top Goan player and WGM Bhakti Kulkarni is not amongst them. The Goa Carbon Limited brand ambassador is in the joint 4th position with 5.5 points in her kitty. WIM Ivana Furtado is also amongst the total of 14 players sharing the 4th position. Elsewhere, WFM Riyaz Sawant, Nandini Saripalli, Aditi Prabhugaonkar and Aishwarya Thorat are all on 5 points. Sham Sundar Fatte from Mapsa for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.